Hello everyone, welcome back to class. And this is the fifth lecture on motion. I hope you remember the previous videos. In that videos, we have discussed about acceleration. Acceleration is the rate of change of velocity of a moving body. Okay, in this video we're going to discuss about the types of acceleration. Acceleration, we have three types. The first one is negative acceleration, second uniform acceleration, and third non-uniform acceleration. What is negative acceleration? Let's go to the next page. Here we have negative acceleration. If the velocity of the moving object decreases with time while traveling in a straight line, then the acceleration of the object is said to be negative. If it is also called a retardation or deceleration and is written as negative a. So negative a is the symbol of negative acceleration. The acceleration can be negative. Okay, here we have example. What is good example here? See, when brakes are applied to a moving vehicle, the speed of the vehicle decreases with time and finally it stops. You are traveling with a vehicle, so bus, city bus at the ponito, car at the scooty at the chuanga, indin du chon brakes in meta in raptin ani ma brakes in mekan acceleration kha ai enge retardation in timuanga kami retardation takkanin atopa chonin enge finally it stops atopa chat ading here trinani ta khanin enge acceleration kan ti chonin initial acceleration a khanin speed e velocity kha lo sang hle mas i tlan chak hle a mas i din don chuanin brakes i me khan nge acceleration kha niam tol tol atopa ding thinani ka negative acceleration omje chu final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time kha nge acceleration khania mania can explain to video masa khan khami thau khania final velocity ka zero e vehicle kha atlan tolawa acceleration velocity zero anei che khanin zero minus nge e velocity initial e velocity kha nge eng anga chak bolo ni se i timing divide kan minus thoron chog na kha negative acceleration kan ti chunya chon next is uniform acceleration. In this case you are moving with a constant velocity. Let's read the definition. If the change in velocity is equal in equal intervals of time, then the object is said to be moving with a uniform acceleration. Here we have two examples. A free falling body under the influence of gravitational pull of the earth is one example. Gravitational pull of the earth. Here you have a mango tree. Then one mango is fallen here and aron kama falling down towards the earth. This is because of gravitational pull, gravitational force avanga rontla kanya, and it is falling with a constant speed, constant velocity, a velocity ka ngai renga chu yang uniform acceleration kan tithang. Another example, a ball rolling down on inclined plane. Yes, here we have inclined plane. Suppose you are rolling down a ball, tahan bolilum plata, then it is rolling down with a constant velocity, so we can say this is also uniform acceleration. Another example, there are so many examples of uniform acceleration. Suppose a flight plane is flying with a constant speed of 200 velocity, okay, constant velocity 200 kilometer per hour. Okay, so this also uniform acceleration, or a train is moving with a constant speed velocity of 100 kilometer per hour. In that case, that train is moving with a uniform acceleration, since its velocity is constant everywhere, same everywhere. So we can say the train is moving with a constant or with a uniform acceleration. Okay, then next we have non-uniform acceleration. In case of non-uniform acceleration, a body should move with a different velocity. Let's read the definition. If the change in velocity is not equal in equal intervals of time, or vice versa, velocity is not equal in equal intervals of time, or vice versa, or if the direction of motion changes, yes, the direction also, if it keeps on changing, then the object is said to be moving with a non-uniform acceleration. Okay, here velocity, velocity is displacement divided by time. So if you are moving, let's say this is A B. You are here at A and your friend is there at B. So you want to visit your friends, and you are riding a vehicle here, but okay, this distance is, let's say, 300 kilometers. 300 kilometers. Then you divide this 300 kilometers into equal parts, 100, 100 and 100. Okay, 100, 100, 100, 300. So initially you traveled with a velocity 20 kilometer per hour. This is your velocity. Okay, then the next time you traveled with a speed of with a velocity of 30 kilometer per hour, and then here 40 kilometer per hour. What is changing here? Your velocity is changing. Okay, but the okay, let's say velocity ka ay in that case, non-uniform acceleration. If your velocity keeps on changing with a given equal intervals of time, ihun man ka ay ang turan niya, but your velocity keeps on changing ay tani. In that case, your acceleration will be non-uniform. Okay, non-uniform hich alar especially in city, congested traffic chuanin enge achangin an dinga achangin an tlan chaklai te po among freeway chuan ma chuan tlang chuan enge mong chang an tlan chang te po among ka non uniform acceleration example ten ya chuanin enge let's review and back le lokila negative acceleration kan ti chuanin negative acceleration a chuanin enge kan tlan chak zong kha amwang tial tinan chu velocity kha atlak niam tol awangin ngi kan speed kha kan velocity kha niam tol don tinan chu engting eng example atira chuanin chak dewin nge 5 minutes chung khanin nge 3 kilometers kai kaltani ma I velocity kha sanglo to ka chon 3 kilometers kai cover mana ma se next le khanin nge 5 minutes thau khai mangta chuan distance cover kha 2 kilometer chon ta chuan another case chuan nge 5 minutes thau kha mang le ta la time kha chu eng po lo ni se ta hin example mai mai ne ka sei chuan ta hian 1 kilometer che I cover ma in that case your velocity is decreasing atlem tla tual achan chu distance covered kha aniam tual la mo chuan at last you are at enge ta hen iding ta ni e vehicle kha aron top ta e velocity kha zero lo ni ta ni zero ni chuanin see let's say this 3 2 1 and 0 these are your velocity e velocity lo ni ta se acceleration is equal to initial final velocity v minus initial velocity u divided by time. Okay, then see final velocity is 0 eta hen ron lo tai la final velocity ka 0 ni ta 0 minus initial velocity chu 3 nia ma divided by time is 5 minutes kan tia ma total time will be 5 3s are 15 polon ta se in that case your acceleration will be minus 3 divided by 15, so it will be 1 by 5 minus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 5. Since this is negative, we can say your acceleration in this case is negative. Okay, then next here we have uniform acceleration. In this case, a constant velocity, a moving body with a constant velocity is called uniform acceleration. In that case, a body should move with a constant velocity. A velocity ngai reng tur ni heta isan mo. Then what about here? Non-uniform acceleration. In this case, your velocity keeps on changing with equal intervals of time. I hun ngai renga khan I velocity a in thakang ma adang lam ve char char thungang or if the directions of motion change. Yes, motion I direction ka in thak thai. Suppose you are moving southward, then again suddenly you change your direction to this side. In this case, your velocity is not may not change, but your direction is changing. In direction ka ain thaka wangin this also non uniform acceleration kan diteng mo. Okay, now we have negative acceleration, uniform acceleration, and non-uniform acceleration. And your home assignment will be you have to write down all this definition in your notebook and you have to submit it to me before 7 p.m. Okay, this and this. Thank you.